Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to bypass Tube8's edge verification. As you may have noticed, several adult sites now require edge verification in the UK and a few other countries. While restricting adult content to adults might seem like the right thing to do, not everyone is comfortable sharing sensitive information with some random unverified company. But don't worry, it's entirely possible to access this site and many others from the UK or anywhere else in the world without going through the edge verification process. Before I show you how, I'd really appreciate it if you like this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications if you enjoy this kind of content. It means a lot and helps me create even more useful videos. So, how do you unblock Tube8 in the UK? The answer comes down to one word: ExpressVPN. ExpressVPN is an app you can install on your computer, smartphone, tablet or smart TV, and it allows you to change your IP address. Once ExpressVPN is activated, your real IP address is hidden and replaced with the IP address of the VPN server you're connected to. Your internet service provider won't be able to see what sites you visit, and those sites will think you are in the country where the VPN server is located. Let me show you quickly how it works. I'll show you on my computer because it's easier to see, but it's exactly the same process on iOS and Android. Let's say I want to access Tube8, which now requires edge verification in the UK. As you can see, when I try to visit the site, I get this message. Now I choose a server location in my VPN. Let's go with Iceland. I click here, then here. It's connecting. It only takes a few seconds. And there we go. I'm now connected to the internet virtually from Iceland. My IP address has been replaced by the VPN server's IP address in Iceland. If I check my IP on this page, you can see I now have an Icelandic IP address. So, I've successfully changed my IP address in just a few clicks. Now all I have to do is refresh the page and I can access the site without any restrictions. As you've seen, to access Tube8 and other adult sites without edge verification, you need ExpressVPN. To try it out, visit vpnfolio.com/express or click the link below this video. ExpressVPN is one of the best VPNs on the market right now. It works very well for unblocking restricted content. ExpressVPN has thousands of servers in 105 countries. It's a secure, reliable and fast VPN, available on Windows, macOS, iOS, Android and more. You can use it on up to 10 devices at once. No speed limits, no bandwidth caps, strict no-logs policy, very effective for bypassing all kinds of blocks. ExpressVPN is not free, it's a premium VPN, but it costs less than £2.60 a month, cheaper than a coffee at Starbucks. That's the equivalent of just 8 pennies a day, a ridiculously low price, considering the many benefits a VPN like ExpressVPN offers. To recap, the idea is to use ExpressVPN to hide your real IP address and replace it with the VPN server's IP. That way, your internet provider can't see what sites you're visiting, and those sites will think you are in another country. All you have to do is select Iceland or any other country where edge verification isn't required from the list and connect. That's it. It's really that simple. Note that ExpressVPN offers a 30-day trial in the form of a money-back guarantee, so you can try it out risk-free. You can sign up, use the service for several weeks without any restrictions, and request a refund if it's not for you. To get your money back, just contact their customer support and ask for a refund. That's it. Just make sure to do it within 30 days. After that, it's too late. That said, I recommend keeping your subscription because ExpressVPN offers many other benefits. Browse and download privately, boost your connection security, avoid bandwidth throttling, access more content, save money and much more. Forget about free VPNs. Free VPNs can be dangerous. They often make money by selling your personal data to third parties. They're also slow, unreliable, and don't offer unlimited bandwidth. In short, best to avoid them. That's why I recommend using ExpressVPN, by far the easiest and most effective way to access blocked sites in the UK. And remember, with this link, you'll get 73% off and 4 months free, and you're covered by a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there is absolutely no risk. If ExpressVPN doesn't work for you, I recommend trying NordVPN, which is also excellent for unblocking websites. NordVPN is also a safe, reliable and fast VPN, available on Windows, macOS, iOS, Android. They have over 8,000 servers in 126 countries. To try it out, visit vpnfolio.com/nord or click the link below this video. The price of NordVPN is also ridiculously low, only £2.39 a month. That's just 7 pennies a day. Just like ExpressVPN, NordVPN offers a 30-day trial in the form of a money-back guarantee, so you can try it out risk-free. You can sign up, use the service for several weeks without any restrictions, and request a refund if it's not for you. That's all for today. Now you know how to unblock Tube8 and other adult sites in the UK or any other country where age verification is required. As you've seen, it's super easy. Final point, ExpressVPN and NordVPN are prohibited for minors. You must be of legal age to sign up. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks and see you next time.